Hi.
Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Please introduce yourself.
I'm Star 102, married, 35 years old. I am graduate, BS Commerce, major in banking and finance. My husband name is Mario Pascua Jr., 35 years old. We have two children, 12 and 6 years old.
Have you worked abroad before?
No, ma'am, but I have working experience here in the Philippines for 4 years as a housemaid.
What are your duties and responsibilities as a housemaid?
My duties is to take care of my employers' children like they are my own child. I will attend to their needs like cooking, cleaning the house, washing clothes, washing the dishes, car washing, and taking care of their feet if needed.
Tell me more about your cooking experience.
I cook simple dishes like fried pumpkin, lunch vegetable, adobo, pork stew, chicken stew, pasta, spaghetti, and fried rice.
But are you willing to learn Chinese cooking?
Yes, ma'am, I'm very willing to learn.
Do you have any day off?
Yes, ma'am, at least once a week.
Can you speak Cantonese or Mandarin?
No, ma'am, but I'm very willing to learn.
Do you have your own room?
Yes, ma'am, but I'm willing to share my employer's child room if needed.
What can you promise to your future employer?
Sir, madam, I promise to take care of the house and your children. I will be my best at all times and I will promise to finish my 2 years contract.
Can you give your best smile to your future employer?